Hello everybody. Now this video will teach you how to use the DFL DDP common firmware solution. Now this solution is about the Hitachi common firmware repair. As for the DFL DDP data recovery program, this program is very helpful. It is not one simple hard drive duplicator. It is not one simple disk imager. It can do much more than that. We can power on this hard drive and we can find out users can use this DFL DDP data recovery program to extract the lost data or to image the hard drive. Besides, users can see many common firmware repair solutions. These kind of common firmware repair solutions are quick solutions, just one button to fix. That means for most common firmware problems, and users just need one simple click to fix that and then get lost data back. So this is one very powerful and easy to use tool. For some very complicated firmware cases, users need these special firmware repair programs. But for most cases with common firmware issues, users just need to use the DDP data recovery program. Now, this video will demonstrate how to use the Hitachi common firmware repair solution. That is the virtual translator. This function is for both 2.5 and 3.5 hard drives. So we can see that when we click this function, the family is automatically detected 543287. And we can try to scan the hard drive and we can see this is the family ID from here 543287. Now we use this common firmware repair and note from HDD. That means to read the firmware module from HDD and load it to the RAM. Here is actually to load the plist PSHT module to the RAM. So read the plist to RAM from the hard drive itself. Now we can try click OK, and then the program starts the auto repair. For some Hitachi drives, the ARM family, after the head swap, users may get the translator issue. It may get full of bad sectors. Then users can try to use this function, click OK, then one click to fix the translator issue, and users can see the data or the hard drive HDD can become detected properly. So it's very easy to use this one. But sometimes when the pension hard drive has unstable heads, then users need to select Node from File. Node from File, that means users can select the PSHT file. Node the plist to RAM. So users can back up the plist before operating on this. How to do that? Okay, let's go to the DFL Hitachi firmware repair program. Okay, now we can open different firmware repair program on the same channel, SATA 0, SATA 0. Now we enter the program and then we go to firmware operations, read modules, and select the playlist. This is playlist, and click read. Now, reading modules. Now the program is reading the playlist. Okay, playlist read success. Now let's go to the work directory. Modules, copy 0. So here is the playlist. We can copy this parts. Copy this parts. This is where the playlist is. Now we switch back to the DDP data recovery program. Just simply click here. Okay. Now we click virtual translator, node from file. Then we can come here and playlist. This is where the playlist is. See, the playlist is here. Now we select this one. Okay, playlist. Click OK. Now we can see that virtual translator execution success. So we can use this one, node from file. This one. This one is better than always to read from the HD. So users can use node from file, especially when the drive is very unstable. Then use node from external file to run the virtual translator. It's also success. It's the same. So this is how users can use the common firmware repair solution. Just one click. Click OK, then complete. Or load from file. This one requires the users to back up the playlist and the node, and then click OK. It's the same. So this is how DFL users can benefit from using the DFL Hitachi common firmware solution, and then go to set up the disk image project, then continue the data recovery. So this one is very easy. Thank you for watching this video.